Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to demonstrate a wash day hairstyle. This hairstyle is cute, quick, and simple and can be worn even if you're gonna go on the road.
Up and down.
Turn around. You want to start with freshly washed hair that is still damp. I applied my leave-in conditioner and my hair grease and twisted her hair in 3 just to keep it from being tangled while she got dressed and everything after she got out of the shower.
Should be the thumbnail. Tiana, speak on it.
This hairstyle is called Bantu knots, but we Jamaicans call it China bump because we do a 2-strand twist and then twist it around. I will not be doing the 2-strand twist today. I will just coil it around my fingers and then wrap it all the way down to the root. I use a leave-in conditioner, a curling cream, and some gel to achieve this style. As you can see, I coil the hair all the way to the end around my finger, and then I start wrapping it down towards the scalp, holding it with my left hand, twirling it with my right, and wrapping it all the way down until there's no more hair to wrap. There's no specific way that you need to part. You can do diamonds if you want, triangles, boxes. But today I'm just gonna do a freestyle part. Again, coil it around your fingers and wrap it all the way down to the scalp. This style can be achieved on dry hair, however, it's best to do it on wet hair. You can use a spray bottle with water to wet the hair if it starts becoming dry before you add your products. Take your time to detangle any areas that seems to be a little tangled. Continue parting all the way around the head. If you're wondering about my broken comb, it gets the job done. Again, I use some mousse, a little curling cream, a little leave-in, and a little tiny bit of gel before I start doing my coil and combing it all the way out so that it's smooth before I start doing my coils. I used to wear this hairstyle a lot when I was a little kid, so I enjoy giving it to my daughters. Please do not wash the hair and leave it out for hours and then attempt to comb it. It's just going to be very painful for both of you. It's best to make sure that after you wash it, even if you don't add any products, just put it in 2, 3, 4 twists or plait, just so that it doesn't shrink and get tangled again. You can just work on any section as you go along, and please remember there's no specific way to part. If you want to do a specific parting style, that's completely up to you. Make sure that you're not wrapping too tight, and don't worry about any residue. As long as you're not using too much products, then you should be okay once the hair is dried. Don't use too little product either because you want the hair to have that slip so you can easily manipulate it and move through it. You can just add some gel to her edges just to lay them down, make it smooth, especially if you're gonna go somewhere special. You can just have it looking a little bit more neat in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Okay.
Brush those small baby hairs back into her bantu knots to make them smooth.
Let me the phone. Wait, it's again. Let me.
Tired?
Why are you laughing so much?
What happened? I have no idea what that was about, but thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Up, up, up. Up, 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 up.
No, I'm not done.
All done, Mama.
No, I'm not done.
You're not gonna say thank you again?
No.